This user guide will show you how to deactivate a position on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then use your Lumina account details to sign into Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. Select the position you would like to deactivate. You are now on the positions dashboard. Navigate to the Sharing Settings icon to change the position's status. To immediately deactivate the position, select the Pause button. If you would like to schedule a deactivation for a later date, enter the date and time into the highlighted box on screen, and then click Schedule. Thank you for listening to this user guide about deactivating a position on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.